Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at same sound number 5. So, let's dive in. Same sound refers to words or phrases that sound identical or very similar when spoken aloud but may have different meanings, spellings, or origins. In language, these can manifest as homophones, homonyms, or near homophones. For example, right and right sound the same but have different meanings, while bear, the animal, and bear without covering are homophones with distinct spellings and meanings. Understanding same sounds is crucial for clear communication and language proficiency. The following slides are practice exercise. Directions. Find a word that has the same sound as the underlined letter or letters in the first word. For example, board sounds like door. So, board. A, boat. B, door. C, scared. D, card. Answer is door. So you have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Butter. A, mother. B, chew. C, few. D, blue. Butter. A, mother. B, chew. C, few. D, blue. Answer is letter A, mother. Number 2. Ear. A, feel. B, air. C, pear. D, far. Ear. A, feel. B, air. C, pear. D, far. Answer is letter A, feel. Number 3. Gentleman. A, get. B, jet. C, wish. D, wretch. Gentleman. So the underlined letter here is letter G. A, get. B, jet. C, wish. D, wretch. Answer is letter B, jet. Number 4. Played. The underlined letters are E and D. A, loved. B, jumped. C, walked. D, cook. Played. A, loved. B, jumped. C, walked. D, cook. Answer is letter A, loved. Number 5. Twist. The underlined letter is letter I. A, sit. B, we. C, new. D, fight. Twist. A, sit. B, we. C, new. D, fight. Answer is letter A, sit. Number 6. Crystal. Crystal. A, cry. B, creep. C, change. D, critical. Crystal. A, cry. B, creep. C, change. D, critical. Answer is letter D, critical. Number 7. Determine. A, mine. B, main. C, moose. D, minimum. Determine. A, mine. B. Main, C. Moose, D. Minimum. Answer is letter D. Minimum. Number 8. Bright. A. Kite, B. Cute, C. Fit, D. Neat. Bright. A. Kite, B. Cute, C. Fit, D. Neat. Answer is letter A. Kite. Number 9. Fixes. A. Fees, B. Miss, C. Rest, D. Twist. Fixes. A. Fees, B. Miss, C. Rest, D. Twist. Answer is letter A. Fees. Number 10. Right. A. Wind, B. Weak, C. Rock, D. Fight. Right. A. Wind, B. Weak, C. Rock, D. Fight. Answer is letter C. Rock. Number 11. Quiet. A. Win, B. Cute, C. Clean, D. Under. Quiet. A. Win, B. Cute, C. Clean, D. Under. Answer is letter A. Win. Number 12. Drive. A. Dig, B. Top, C. Jet, D. Gun. Drive. A. Dig, B. Top, C. Jet, D. Gun. Answer is letter A. Dig. Number 13. Chrome. A. Rain, B. Tree, C. Cheer, D. Cream. Chrome. A. Rain, B. Tree, C. Cheer, D. Cream. Answer is letter D. Cream. Number 14. Doubt. A. Death, B. Crowd, C. Rabbit, D. Shout. Number 14. Doubt. A. Death, B. Crowd, C. Rabbit, D. Shout. Answer is letter D. Shout. Number 15. Comfortable. A. Mom, B. Comb, C. Thumb, D. Cool. Comfortable. A. Mom, B. Comb, C. Thumb, D. Cool. Answer is letter C. Thumb. Number 16. Although. A. Tug, B. Snow, C. Rule, D. Now. Although. A. Tug, B. Snow, C. Rule, D. Now. Answer is letter B. Snow. 17. Cough. A. Off, B. Laugh, C. Math, D. Wrote. Cough. A. Off, B. Laugh, C. Math, D. Wrote. Answer is letter A. Off. Number 18. There. A. Dear, B. Care, C. Near, D. Steer. There. A. Dear, B. Care, C. Near, D. Steer. Answer is letter B. Care. Number 19. Loose. A. Box, B. Floss, C. Nose, D. Shoes. Loose. A. Box, B. Floss, C. Nose, D. Shoes. Answer is letter D. Shoes. Number 20. Last item. Rope. A. Hot, B. Rock, C. Boat, D. Pot. Rope. A. Hot, B. Rock, C. Boat, D. Pot. Answer is letter C. Boat. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this lesson about same sound number 5. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.